In the Jain principle, there is an amazing philosophy that they follow is to err is to human, to forgive is divine. That human mistakes, human errors are possible to make. Forgiveness is the greatest strength. Hi my dear friends, welcome back again. Silence and forgiveness are two most powerful things in this universe if we can practice. How do we practice forgiveness? Somebody has complained so much about me. Somebody has spoken so much disrespectful words about me. Somebody has misbehaved so much with me. Somebody has hurted my emotions repeatedly. Somebody has pulled my self-esteem down so much and broken my confidence that I'm shattered today. I'm sure that all of us at some point of time in our life, be it with our business partners or be it with our relationships, have faced these problems. The most important thing and an attitude that we all have to develop now is to forgive. You might say, how is it possible? It's so easy to say that we need to practice forgiveness, but how do we practice forgiveness? How can I forgive? How can I let go? Most people who keep resentment in their hearts land up with severe diseases at the later age of life. It is better to cleanse ourselves at a very young age. In the Jain philosophy, forgiveness is a very basic practice that we all follow. It's the principal way of life. To free yourself from not being guilty, to free yourself from not being so burdened, and to free yourself in that freedom that you feel that you're spiritually elevated. How do you forgive? What is the first step that you can think to take to forgiveness? We all go to the temple to offer, or we go to the church to light a lamp, or offer some flowers and fruits at the temple. But my dear friends, before you go to bed, at bedtime, now start introspecting your entire day. Calculate and see what you have done. See what all activities, where all have you spoken wrong. Observe yourself and start becoming in awareness and being more mindful about these things. When you start introspecting your entire day for like 12 to 16 hours, right from the start of what you did till the end of the day, when you just sit down to introspect, you will know where have you made mistakes. This is self-introspection. This is self-correction. When you will know where you have committed mistake, be it a foul language, be it abusing someone, being shouting at someone, being not speaking but having unpleasant feelings against somebody. When you will introspect all these things, most of the time it's not important, it has to be verbal. Sometimes we radiate that kind of energy also, that somebody feels that around you. When you introspect at bedtime, you will know where you have made your mistakes. If you wish you want to correct yourself, you will become aware, and then please at that time make a small statement to the universe. Universe, give me the strength to continue to do more good in this world. And if I have hurted someone knowingly, unknowingly, I ask for forgiveness. In the Jainism philosophy, it's called Pratikamana. Pratikamana means Pratikriyatam. Every activity that we have performed, we do it with such awareness and consciousness that we make sure or try that we don't commit a mistake. We don't hurt somebody knowingly or unknowingly. But as human beings, it's possible. We don't do it intentionally sometimes, and most times we even do it intentionally to hurt someone. So my dear friend, forgiveness is this act that you can practice. When you introspect at bedtime, then just close your eyes for a minute and then offer this entire karma or your doings to the universe and the existence, or to your belief and faith. Offer that as your flowers, offer that as your fruits, offer that as lighting a candle in the church. And when you start offering your 24 hours in the day of how you live, you will realize you will eventually start giving love and compassion to those who need forgiveness, and you will slowly dissolve yourself to start forgiving them. Experience this, practice it, and if you will practice it, one day you will become so light and free. What made Jesus Jesus? There were 3 people who were crucified together. The other 2 said God punished them, and Jesus said, forgive them. They don't know what sins they have done. I just don't quote Jesus at this moment. I think all spiritual and all religious practice want to share the same principle in this world. Forgiveness is the most powerful tool, my dear friends, to liberate you, to feel freedom and become higher towards your goal of spiritual being. Love you so much. Thank you.